Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah! Paper, scissors, shoot! Hey guys, it's me, Vanessa. Today we're at Camp Rucksack. But before, Mom and Dad used to go here. But for today, we're almost complete. And it's like really cold here and really foggy. So yeah, let's get to bonding. We are going to make a tent here. We're going to try to make a tent.
Uy, pwede na?
We're going to go into this here.
Pwede na?
Hi!
Ayun, oh.
Katulad ng kailay.
Ano lang to? Tungkog lang to.
Ay, baby. Mamakas pa ni. Madali na. Habol. Asan yung bag nung atin, babe?
Oh, hi. Oh, look at this.
I-atras mo konti, babe. Para dyan yung space sa gitna, yung para meeting place natin.
Super foggy dito. Parang ano, zero visibility. Oh. Simpleng tent lang naman kasi for beginners. Ulan na. Yung electric. Ulan na. Pasok ka sa tent or sa sasakyan. So how's it? Doing good?
Yes. I'm doing good with the chips here. Oh wait, I thought you were mommy.
Hi!
Hey!
Hi, Tita Moti!
Hey!
Yung, dyan sa ano, magluto na tayo dyan ng kung ano-ano.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah! Paper, scissors, shoot!
Why?
The door!
Wait lang, anak.
Ano lulutuin nyo?
Ano bang mahirap? Pork or chicken unahin?
Be careful! Naglagay kami ng plastic kasi talagang umulan na. Ang galing oh! Uling-uling eh! Sarap nito.
Hey Mama, do you know why a marshmallow is called a marshmallow?
Why?
It's because it's made out of a plant called a mallow. And you're joking me!
You're making story again.
Search and Google, I dare you. I will. I dare you.
Good enough.
Yes, I dare you.
So you mean marshmallow is organic?
Kinda.
Kinda.
I dare you to search in Google.
Nakikitawan naman to.
If you're wrong, you have to cook me s'mores later.
Okay. Doesn't sound like that bad idea. Oh look! We have Clovo!
Oh, totoo nga!
Totoo yan.
Bakit?
Oh, see, it's organic!
Mama.
Alam mo ba nagbabasa lagi yan? Ayun naman pala eh. Pahigot nga ng kape dyan.
Ikaw na.
Ay, tinamaan lang ng kamera, hindi na makahigot ng kape.
Pinyara, sabi niya kaya, Tita Yay, where are you? Nasa video call tayo.
Ay, di ko na rin.
Punta ka na siya. Hanap ka saan? Nasa ka na saan?
Hi, Tap Tap! Wait lang, umambun.
Kuya Harit. Ay, Kuya Ian. Nasaan?
Eh.
No. Uy, nice. Pwede kayo pumunta din dyan?
Oh,
Mababa naman to.
Kanina, nasa video call kami ni Mami Lai. Katabi ko si Gina. Ay, si Nyara. Sabi niya, Tita Yay, where are you, Tita Yay?
Ay,
Matulak lang din. Bagay ni Mama yung shoes ko.
ako na nga to.
dito sana. Pwede mo sana dyan.
Boss na, boss.
Hi, baby.
Kaya nyo yun. Anong iwa? It's okay, anak. Anong iwa? No, it's okay. Sticky daw.
Sticky. Doon kayo. Yeah. What's that?
Parang tabing ilog lang pero ang totoo tabing bangin. Sweater.
Ba't wala nga ang
Boy, help!
Ngayong usok, kaya ano, iya.
Eh, baby.
Kaya kami.
I'll find some
Trying hard. Hindi marunong.
Isa mo dali.
Excuse me, Nachi! Okay!
Oh baby.
Yeah, it's like, what is...
Paidam naman to. Bakit? Ayaw niya? Gusto niyo mag-spot?
Tingnan mo, tingin ni Nyara kay Tap-Tap.
Tingin. Ano pang luto natin?
May chicken pa dun. Pero actually may bango sa squid sila dun. So parang ang dami na.
Bango sa squid pa?
May chicken pa nga dito eh.
Alright.
Is there anything
Oy, it's good na.
Are you sure about that? I don't see any fire.
Nox naman. Ayun naman pala, oh.
Wait,
Hindi
guys.
akin yan, ah.
Ha? Hindi sa'yo yan, dapat lang. It's okay. What is that? It's mine. Yo, it's yours. Ito si Tap. Uy.
Me also.
Can I have one?
Nandun.
Ito yung parang gusto ko nang kumain. Love you. Set.
Can I taste?
It's really good. Is it good?
Basta make sure kakain ka mamaya.
Yeah, sure.
Enough na muna, ha?
Bangus at ano? Sipon. Ah, sipon. Weh, pusit. Dito pala kayo. Nahanap ko kayo. Ayos. Kaya nung bagay natin doon.
Hi. What's your name?
Parang si Abby, oh.
Oo nga eh.
It looks like Chanel.
Yeah, Chanel and Abby.
Even their color.
Yeah.
And then, well, what will Wisco shine?
Sayang ang tato kung tinutuktukan ka lang naman ni ano.
Tukan. Ako yung boss.
Tinatapon ka lang naman sa ano, bintana, Brad. 'Di ba? Kawawa kang kumakatok pabalik, 'di ba?
Talaga.
Ano naman to? Bangus. Ipalapal damo to ni Rana Jerry daw.
Tulungan tak.
Tulungan na.
Tulong! Di mo naman pwedeng patulan. Tawag ka na lang ng tulong.
Okay. Eto, the best to. Sarap nito. Ito, masarap. Mastig. Uy, ayos to bro. Up game na.
Kuha na ako na boy.
Hello boy.
Ba?
Boy. Tignan ko nga rin sila dito.
Gusto niya yung lamp actually.
Wow.
Wow, glamping sila dito lang.
Wow, yung magtida naman ang cozy naman dito.
Masarap ito.
Oh, masarap.
Ricky, ang camera!
How you say hi?
Hi, Nara. Say hi.
Oh, you want? Okay.
It has more than now.
Hindi ko lang sinasabi mo.
It's going to be Anne.
Tsaka dun sa ano yun? May bilan ng itlog. Yung lagi natin yung lagi nating huling dinadaanan kasi nga paglabas doon, magpapatawag na tayo ng taxi.
Alam malaglagip mo. Wala.
No, spicy. But this one is not spicy.
Si Arim, di mo pwedeng biruin ng ganun eh.
Nang yung mga babae? Hindi pwede.
Okay lang.
Alas na ng anak.
Tapon ka sa bintana, no?
Hindi ako papapasukin.
Galing-galingan tong si Rani, tinatapon lang rin naman yan sa bintana ni Jam eh.
Tapon sinasabit ako. Tag!
May nag-tent na rin dito. Tulog pa si Modi. Wow! Thank you! Oh, gising na ron!
It was actually very creepy.
What? Can you tell me a creepypasta
Yes.
story?
You know there was a ghost there that actually lived in anger and hatred. Because a lot of people really hated him. He was very angry.
You're making a story.
Where?
Amang Tomas, soy sauce. Pag sinabi mong let's put salt, alam niya nang kakainin siya. Eto, naghahanda na kami para umuwi. Sabagay malapit lang naman. Balik na lang ulit tayo kagad. Paano yan? Diuwi na tayo. Babay na. Bitin. Bitin? Uwi na kami. Nakahanda na rin. Siyempre, katulad ng dati. Punong-puno. Oh, babay na.
I already played it.
Alright. See you on October Camp Rucksack.
Yay!